Okay, ma'am. Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm Somali Pradhan from second year B Pharmacy of Konkan Gyanpit Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy. Today, I'm here for the debate competition, and I'm going to team up with Amisha Bhopatrao.
Good evening, one and all, respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Amisha Bhopatra from second year B Pharmacy of Konkan Gyanpit Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Kargat. And we are going to debate on a topic hard work versus smart work, and my partner is Somali.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Divya Bhanushali. I am a student of second year B Pharm from Konkan Gyanpat Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy. I am here on a debate on topic of smart work versus hard work, and I choose my partner as Dipesh.
Hello everyone, Dipesh over here. So good evening to everyone. We have chosen the topic hard work versus smart work, and congrats, all the best to all. And we could start our debate. Okay, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Can we start? Okay. Ma'am, Amisha. So friends, as we know, the hard work. The word itself suggesting that hard plus work. That means the work which is tough for doing. And hard work provides us the immense satisfaction that we are not getting from the smart work. And hard work which is required to be successful any uh, in any field. And the three D's which are required to be successful are dedication, determination, and discipline, which we are getting from hard work. And also, if hard work is a confidence builder, if you are working hard towards your dream, then you will be confident on your self-esteem, and it will develop your the skill set which is required to be successful. And the uh, smart work
Yeah.
is suggesting regarding the shortcuts. And if we are following the shortcuts, then you'll get the results according to it. So according to my view, the hard work is the most important key to success, and we should follow hard work. And hard work provides us the more efficient way. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, so I would like to add the point in that smart work is a thing that we could do in our regular basis. So smart, if we doing the smart work, we could do many things at a one point or a one step. We could do many things at a one step. That means we could do 4 to 5 things at a time. So we could consume our time. That is the benefit of a smart work. And smart work is a thing that we are doing. Each and every person is doing in regular basis. Then if you want to make a PowerPoint presentation, so if you don't have the skills to uh, uh, no don't have the skills to make the PowerPoint presentation, that means you are learning the things with the hard work. But if you have the smart work with that thing, you could easily able to do that PowerPoint presentation of 3 hours into the in 1 hour. So that is a one time that is a one topic that you could easily save your time with the smart work. And as we know that the world is running on the smart work, because many things that we are doing in our regular life are the smart work things, that from uh, getting up early in the morning and doing our things, that is considered as a smart work. Smart work is a normal thing that we could do multiple tasks at a time and we could save our time. So that's it. These are my views of the smart
I would like to oppose this because when we see the students that are going through the school and learning many things, so I think hard work is the key term for them. If you are talking about the PowerPoint presentation, when we are making the PowerPoint presentation for smart work, but that too requires the in-depth knowledge of how to create that PowerPoint presentation. So I think working hard from the school time, learning every point of view of how to do the things in a great way, then only we can do the smart work. So I think so hard work is the basic main point that a student should learn in his or her life, so that when he or she hard work and learns the thing efficiently, then only he can adopt for the smart work. So the first key term that one should understand is doing the hard work, not the smart work. Because after the hard work, only then can the smart work gain the foot in this life.
Hard work is important, but if it is done smartly, it shows the result fastly as you want. It is a aiming for a result with planning and prioritization of the task. It shows the specific and achievable relevant time management. If That's it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Divya,
Yeah, ma'am. As you say,
Divya, I want you to define what is smart work first.
smart work is a result that we are doing with the planning and the prioritization of the work. If it gives a time management, and if your smart work actually learn about the teamwork in a team, you do a work smartly, and it take a lesser time than doing a hard work.
On this, I would like to add one point, that is, all the students are having different ability, different capacity to grasp. For them, it is difficult to do smart work. So many students are like this. So according to me, uh, the hard work beats the talent when the talent doesn't work hard. So according to me, the hard work is more important than smart work. And also it is providing you the skill set which you required for uh, your education. So only the educational knowledge is not important nowadays. What you are having, the extra knowledge, that is skill set, is more important. That's it.
Yeah. Uh, yeah. But the point is, if you do the smart work, you could do many things that I said in last point. But because of smart work, you could learn those things in a small time. Correct? You could learn those things in a small time, and because of smart work, you could grasp the knowledge easily because you are doing the smart work. You could grasp the knowledge easily because you are doing the smart work. The next thing is, the industry is hiring not the hardworking person, means the one who is very studious to the study. They are hiring the person who is skilled one, who can grasp the knowledge easily, not the person who is grasping the knowledge after 2 to 3 years in the industry. They are hiring the person who is grasping the knowledge, or who is taking everything in a lesser time. So smart work is needed for being hired in an industry or getting to be in any kind of thing. So smart work is necessary for uh, facing the world. That is important.
I would like to oppose this, as smart work is not only the necessary key point, because in an industry when a person goes for a job, same the other 300 to 500 people also goes for the same job, and among those 300 to 500 people, not every person is determined to do the work in a smartest way. Some may be the medieval, some may be the lowest one, and some may be blessed with the high IQ. So for doing a person in a for for the person to do the work in a smartest way, one should definitely require a high IQ. And what about those other people who are of low IQ and of medieval? They strive to be in the field of by doing the hard work. So I think the hard work is the key. Even when the brain doesn't work according to the high IQ, then the only thing we can rely on is doing the smart work. By doing the smart work, by doing daily assessments and assignments, we can do the work efficiently. Even if we are not that far to the smart people working, but still there's a large population who is always dependent upon the hard work.
Divya, would you like to add something?
No.
Yeah. Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. This last question I will ask both the groups.
Yes.
One is the affirmative side, not affirmative side, sorry. That is those who are speaking on the smart work. I would like to ask you that. What about the small children, kids who are going to
Yeah.
school? How will you guide them to do the smart work?
Yes, ma'am. The thing is, we have the technology now. Nowadays, we have the technology. Each and every house in India or in the world having the smartphones, Android, they
No,
have the
not in
technology.
every house.
No. They have the smartphones, ma'am. I'm saying they have the smartphones, so they could
That's what I'm saying.
understand.
That each and every house doesn't have the smartphones.
But
Majority
they have
of,
this.
majority
Yes,
of.
yes. Yeah. The majority of them, they are having the smartphones, so they could learn, or they could go to their friend's home, and they could learn the things easily on the smartphone. They could see YouTube. They could see many other platforms like EDX. Then uh, other things like they could learn easily. They could learn free on that platform, and they could uh, see many other things at free of cost. They could do smart work. The thing that is taking about 10 weeks or 20 weeks for learning, they could learn on the platforms like this in about 15 days or 20 days, if they are doing those things on the in technology, if they are doing the things in technology. So smart work is definitely the one that they could learn in a small time with a better efficacy. That's it.
So you mean say that you want to say that students they can go for the online mode and then they can work smartly.
Yes, they could go online mode, and as well as we have teachers in our colleges, schools, so we could learn from them. We could learn the things which can we make short, like the in periodic table we could made a uh, we make the some rhymes for that, for those things.
You know,
We
for
could
some children, actually, we don't allow them to use the short forms. We don't allow them to use the calculator. They have to compulsory with
yes, ma'am.
manually only. They have to learn all the things first. Then only
Correct. Yeah, they're learning the things and they are making the rhymes of this, and those rhymes are keeping there in mind for the next 70 years of their life. So that is the part of the smart work. They could learn it easily with those things if they are applying the smart work in that.
mm, okay. So other side, that is those who are speaking on the hard work side. I want to ask you that. Um, what about in the profession? Okay, when you are after you are completed your education and now you are working um, in a industry, in a factory, in a in your workplace, I want to ask, in a professional life, is it that hard work every time is going to help you?
Uh,
And
can I
how
answer?
hard work is going to help you? See, because remember one thing, when you are in a profession, remember you are going to work on multiple things at a time. Okay, and not only multiple things in on at the same time, but your family responsibilities are means increased by double triple times. That is a one, means so many responsibilities you are handling when you grow up, right? So at that time, Is it like hard work is every time going to help you? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo.
Hard work provides you the opportunities, and in the industries we are hiring the people who are taking initiatives for the new concepts and new learnings, and with the help of hard work we can do the things, and the smart work is the fruit of hard work. So uh, the concepts which are required to do the smart work, that is your concentration and other abilities, which we will get done by only by doing the hard work.
Ma'am, can I add a
Yeah,
point?
bolo, Somali, bolo.
Can I add a point to this?
Yes, yes, Somali, bolo.
Uh, when we think about this hard work in the future generation, then we can always. I have a point to that because I can always decide to work hard, but I can't always decide to work smart because in this generation, many technologies are forming day by day, and for that technologies to encrypt in us, like we have to learn those technologies, and by doing the smart work we can just get a value of those technologies and do it in a way that we can use our mind, but not always it is possible to use the smart work in those technologies and new learnings. So for that technology to be learned, we have to do the hard work in that time too. So I think hard work is an it gives us the innumerable possibilities to learn different things, and when we decide to do a hard work rather than doing a smart work, then it isn't a proper appropriate because at the both sides we have to balance both the things, while we have to work smartly as well as hardly we have to do the hard work too.
Yeah,
Because one
I agree.
example I have.
Yeah, it should be a combination of both the things that you
Yes,
want to say, right? Huh,
yes,
that is right. Because Somali actually at this age and after experience what we are having, we have always seen that there if there are suppose there are two people, one is a hard working and the other one is smart working. So at higher post, you will find 90% of people are the ones who are working smartly. So hardly I understand hard work is a very good thing and one should have in them. But those who are working hard, they achieve the things, but they take a certain time to achieve the things. That is some years they need. And smart working people achieve it in just 10 to maybe 5 to 10 years they achieve what the hardworking people will achieve in 20 or 25 or 30 years. Of course, the respect is different. The hardworking people will always get the respect more than anyone else. But this is the difference what we have seen till now. Okay, so it doesn't mean that you don't have to do hard work. Okay? I will always say that both the things should be combined together. Okay. And Jyoti madam, do you want to add anything?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. Actually, not. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Actually, it is a independent India that we are living in a independent India. That's Constitution give us rights to do our own work, do our own things in our India. So actually, it is we are fighting for a one post. If a one post is there and 10 people, 10 candidates are there, then obviously there is a race for that, and the company definitely would hire the person who will be better in that race. And definitely it is not a just not a bad matlab, anything we could say that we are doing injustice with them, correct? So it is not obviously injustice with them. That's it. Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
even from my side, you may mention. So, बोलो yes, Jyoti ma'am, continue. No, 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 madam. No, no, no.
Thank thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you,
you
ma'am.
for your participation.
Yeah, ma'am.
And we could see your preparation.
Yes, yes.
Unity.
Simultaneously, we have to. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you
you, ma'am.
so much.
Thank you,
Have a
ma'am.
great day, ma'am.
Have a good day.
Yeah,
Bye.
yeah, yeah.